Welcome back, everyone. We'll be doing an unboxing today from Campark. I reached out to them and asked if they wanted to sponsor the channel, and I said sure. So we are working with Campark now on the channel, and we're gonna see. This one I already opened and I put batteries in, so that's after. I only have one set of batteries. So I need to get some more. Open it up. They are cameras, specifically game cameras to be exact. We got the camera there. We have the little strap for it. We have a mount to mount on the wall. We have this big little mount. And we have this. And instructions and stuff like that. So we'll put this one in here because I'm going to set up the other one because they have batteries on it. So they're basically practically the same models. So like I said, this one I already put batteries in. It takes 8 batteries per camera, so that's a lot of batteries. But they're AA batteries, so I don't know how long that's going to last. We will see. But you basically pop these clips on the side like that, and then here it is right here. See, it's on right now. So there we go. I'm gonna go set these up, and or one of them, and I'm gonna let you guys know how it's going. I'll do an update video on this, but for the unboxing, this is pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Thanks to Campark for sending out these units, and we'll definitely put them to the test on the N.R.T channel. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.